You can't.
Why?
Because it's a protected place. Tisha,
Are
look.
there people there?
Athena,
Do you see the water coming up?
Yeah.
isn't it pretty?
Sorry.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
I see.
Oh my
And
God,
I
that's
hate
so
this
cool.
Yucky grass and yucky dirt.
Totally worth it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it is loud. And he said this only happens every couple of days.
He said it happens either once a day or once every other day.
Oh my God.
And they said that's bigger than Old Faithful.
Wow.
I was fixing to say, that's really small. Why am I waiting an hour and a half?
No, I bet you closer it's louder and seems much larger.
But I said don't do that.
Yeah. I'm gonna tan that butt.
You know what I should have done is just take him out of the car seat
Oh,
and just
boy,
carried
it's
him
going
around.
to
It'd
the
be so
sky.
much easier.
Yeah.
It's going in the sky. It's going in the sky.
Holy cow. Yes, we evolved from apes, you betcha.
It's going inside
Sure.
the cloud.
Sounds like an awfully intricate system to me.
Oh yeah.
And it's still
That's
going.
Awesome.
With like some major power.
That's so awesome.
Oh, that's what happens when you only blow off steam every other day.
There's a message in there somewhere. I just know it. This too could be you.
Mr. Robbie.
Walk to my fingers.